A change in how schools should handle outbreaks of swine flu, just in time for the start of classes.
It is now clear that closure of schools is rarely indicated, even if H1N1 is in the school.
The government is now saying schools should only close if large numbers of students have the flu, and sick kids could return to class 24 hours after a fever is gone. Last year, some 700 schools closed their doors at the hint of flu, with health officials telling people infected with swine flu to stay home for a week. The flu is expected to hit schools again this year, but now the government says it is ready, and the virus more mild than feared.
Schools must have clear guidance about how to minimize the spread of H1N1, and that guidance needs to be ready for the opening of the 2009-2010 school year.
Officials expect some schools will get hit.
Educators need to start thinking now about having temporary homeschooling plans in place, using both phones and the internet, whether it's for just a few students or potentially for an entire school.
The government says its plan is a tiered response, from keeping a handful of sick kids home all the way to closing schools. That decision ultimately rests with local schools, now getting guidance from above about a new flu strain causing a global pandemic. Lee Powell, The Associated Press.
Okay.